What's going on, guys? Jacob Schultz. I want to talk with you about product photography. Now, not just photography in general. Obviously, we all know that the white background, really high quality image sells well on Amazon, but being able to have like an explainer picture and like a diagram picture literally will kick off the listing and make it look absolutely amazing. So whatever product you're selling currently, or even like just check on competitors, a lot of people will have something like this. So essentially what it is a picture of the product and then lines that like we'll zoom in on a certain picture and then explain what it is. So this makes the listing stand out. It looks amazing and it converts people into customers more. Okay. So, I mean, they have action shot. Here's another little explainer, just seeing what the size would be for the product. So automatically with pictures like this, you're eliminating any questions that a customer would have about the product, which would result you into getting faster sales and more customers and more sales in general. So I want you to go about doing this. Two ways that you can do it. If you want to do it yourself, I recommend Canva. So, I mean, right here, if you're not a Photoshop wizard, Canva's fine. I just pulled off this picture off the internet. We can go to elements, on lines, and then get something like this. Like we could literally just like make a little line, right? Here, too little. There we go. Okay, can make a little line, boom. And then you can play around with this. So let's say we're gonna like zoom in on this and then maybe take another picture of that product from that angle, or we could even like copy it. We can crop just this part out to zoom in on it. So check this out. Boom, boom, boom. Put here, and then we could like expand it and be boom. And then obviously you would make it look nicer. Then we can cut a circle around this and then just make the background white. So circle, and we can make the circle fit around the image. So essentially stuff like this. I mean, that's basically all these guys are doing. It's the same thing. Obviously this looks nicer and they take a lot more time into it. If you're not an artist like myself, you can hire someone on Fiverr to do it for you. Just anybody that's good in graphic design, just tell them what you're looking for, what you want them to zoom in on, what you want them to describe that as. But this makes people stand out. This is what makes you stand out from your competition, okay? Selling the same product, that's all it is. Just trying to stand out and be on top of everybody else, okay? So look into product explainer pictures and diagram pictures, because this is what's crazy right now, and this is what makes the top sellers stand out from the bottom ones, okay? Quick video for you guys. Just want to give you a friendly tip. But thanks so much for watching. If you learned something, drop a like, leave a comment. See you in other videos. Take care.